For questions 37 through 39, I'm asked to evaluate. And for these questions, I like to put my own equal sign. And because I don't know what it is, I'm going to set it equal to a question mark. But if you wanted to set it equal to x, you could do that as well. So I'm doing this because now I can really just transform it into its equivalent exponential form and then solve. So 4 raised to question mark is equal to 64. So 4 raised to what would get you 64? And that would be 3. So for 38, I'm going to set this equal to a question mark, and then I'm going to transform it. So 2 raised to what is equal to 2? And that would be 2 raised to 1. And then lastly for 39, this is going to be 6 raised to question mark is equal to 6 raised to the 5. So 6 raised to what is equal to 6 raised to 5? And that'll just be 5.